Hi students, I just wanted to make a clarifying video for anyone who has not yet made their writers and readers notebooks. OneNote is a live document where you actually will type right on the document. There's no need to save because after about 10 seconds it will automatically sync up and save. I will then be able to see what you've written and I can respond to your writing. Some of you may be able to check this and see that I've already written back to some of you, and I will continue to write back to all of my students as you put your writing into your readers and writers notebooks. This is going to take place of our composition notebooks, which we used to write in every day and then turn in every week. We're trying not to do a lot of transmitting or transferring of papers right now, and so I wanted to try this digital outline for a readers and writers notebook. So this is new for me, and I know it's probably pretty new for you. So let's just go with grace and take it easy, and we're just going to try to do our best, okay? So basically, when you find your hour, you are going to click on the link. So HCL stands for Honors Comp and Lit. If you are in my Honors Comp and Lit 1A class, first hour on A days, you would click that link. ELA 2, there's 2A, Honors Comp and Lit 3A, ELA 2 1B, ELA 2 3B, and Honors Comp and Lit 4B. The way you will be able to figure out what hour you are in is by looking at your schedule. If you are a 1-3, you're in a first hour class. 4-6, you're in a second hour class. 7-9, you're in a third hour class. And 10-13, you're in a fourth hour class. I don't know if I said 14 or 13, but I meant 13. An A and a B will also be at the end of those numbers, and that determines if you're on an A day or a B day. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to go ahead and click that I'm in Honors Comp 1A. I click on this, and it will take me to the next screen. When I get to this screen, if I do not see my name in this left-hand window pane, then I know that I need to create a journal. So right here will say plus section. I can type in my name. So I'm just going to write test student because I'm going to test this out. And once I've put my first and last name there, I hit OK. Now it creates my own notebook right here. It has given me a page, and I can title this one Reader's Notebook. And then at the bottom, you'll see a plus page sign. You click on that, and this is going to be your Writer's Notebook. Now you have created your Readers and Writers Notebook, and it should be under your first and last name. Remember, I called this one Test Student because we're just testing it out. Honors Comp and Lit has a first writing assignment due on Sunday at midnight, and they will have a paragraph in here about what they think about writing. ELA 2 will have a reading notebook, a 2-question little journal that I'm asking you to write about theme and dramatic irony. So you can literally just start typing here. So you can literally just start writing right here. Now, after about 10 seconds, it's automatically saved. I'm going to show you a little way to figure this out. So I'm going to type right here in the body of my page. Okay, there's a little circle thing that's going around and around and around and around and around. And then as soon as it stops, then I know it's saved. So now it looks like a little cloud with a check mark. And that means it's already synced up to my notebook. So I am saved. I don't need to worry about it. I can click out of here or whatever I need to do and it will be done. Okay, now at the very top of my web browser, I can see this thing that says bookmark. If I bookmark this tab, then I can title it Notebook in addition to whatever it already pops up. So it says Honors Comp Inlet 1A Notebook, and I hit done. Then it will always be saved right here in my notebooks. And the reason why this is important is because you may not always have the link and you don't always want to search for that link. So if you can go ahead and make sure you've bookmarked this page, then you will easily be able to get to your notebook every time you have a writing assignment. If you have any other questions or concerns, please email me so that I can help you set up this notebook. I hope that these new directions and this video are helpful and will help you to be able to create this. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great weekend.